In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track keywords in Semrush. Let's dive straight into it. First things first, open up your browser. Anyone will do, really, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Once your browser is open, go ahead and type Semrush into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you'll see the Semrush website pop up in the search results. Click on it, and it'll take you to the main page. Now, if you've already got an account with Semrush, simply log in using your credentials. If you're new to Semrush, you'll need to sign up for an account. The sign-up process is pretty straightforward. Just follow the prompts, and you'll be all set in no time. Semrush might offer you a free trial if you're interested in exploring the tool further, so keep an eye out for that. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Your next stop is the position tracking tool. This feature is nestled within your project area, so you'll need to first create a project if you haven't already done so. Navigate through the interface until you see Position Tracking, and click to open it. Next up is entering your domain name. You'll find a space to input this. On the same interface, you'll also be prompted to specify some tracking parameters. These include the specific search engine you're targeting, perhaps Google or Bing. Don't forget to choose the device type, desktop, mobile, or both, depending on how your audience typically finds you. Lastly, select the location you want to track. This could be as broad as a country or as specific as a city. Once you've got your domain and tracking preferences set, it's time to start focusing on the keywords you wish to track. You have the option to manually enter your target keywords one by one. If you've got a long list, Semrush lets you upload these in bulk using a CSV file, a real time saver, right? After inputting your keywords, go ahead and click Start Tracking. Now, let's talk about what happens next. As the position tracking tool sets up, it will begin displaying a dashboard filled with valuable data. You'll be able to see how your keywords are ranking, along with some related metrics and insights. Take a moment to explore this dashboard. It's brimming with information that can help you refine your SEO strategies. And here's a handy tip. You're not confined to just the keywords you've initially entered. Anytime you want to monitor more keywords, you can easily add them through the Position Tracking Tool interface. It's a flexible tool designed to cater to your evolving needs. That's it. With these steps, you'll be tracking keywords like a pro on Semrush. Happy tracking, and may your SEO efforts be fruitful.